We had a lineup change recently, and now I am the only permanent member of the band, with everyone else playing as session players. But actually, we have a total of 6 in the band. We have Shamika and Malita on guitars, Savin on bass, Charit on drums, Steven on vocals, and myself on electric piano and trumpets. When it comes to our originals, the productions are taken up by Shamika, lyrics by Shamika and Steven, and when it comes to composing the song, all of us get involved.
It's a song that naturally came to us. It's not something that we usually release. So because of that reason itself, you kind of on the fence about releasing it, but we did because we kind of liked it. So, but what's interesting is what came after. We took this sound, which we liked it, right? So we took our old sound and mixed it together, and we came up with something far more interesting. So we are releasing an EP with that. So stay tuned.
As a band, everyone is so glad about it, and I would like to thank everyone who support our music. Yes FM Homegrown.
Right, so the new song Is It Safe Outside pretty much explains itself. If you haven't heard the song yet, please do go and check out the song. Basically, it's a song that we wrote about the current situation that we're in. It's about the COVID pandemic. It's dedicated to all of the essential workers, the health workers, the armed forces, the delivery people, the people who are working behind the scenes to try and make life go back to normal as soon as possible. That's what the song is about. It just invites people to think about things in a more selfless perspective, because to be honest, the way that we can get out of this situation as soon as possible is if we are smart enough to protect ourselves and thereby protect other people. That's what this song is about, essentially. Listen to the song. The words are pretty straightforward. I wrote the second verse for my friend Dr. Gayan Dantanarayana that passed away, unfortunately, as a victim of this horrible virus. He was truly an inspiration to all of us musicians, and actually he's even more of an inspiration to us as people. If you knew him personally, if you knew the things he'd done, he was really a valuable asset to this country, and I wrote the second verse for him. I'm really happy with Irshad's input. He was able to analyze the song perfectly and put in this just amazing, mad verse onto it. I love the flow. I love the words he uses. It's really great. We are so happy with his input. So the song in a nutshell is basically, we're in a tough situation. Everybody is going through something difficult in their own way. The thing to do is to be smart, to think outside of the box, think for yourself, think about other people, protect yourself, protect other people, and let's get out of this pandemic as soon as possible so that we can go back to living our normal lives. That is what the song is about. It's very simple. Do go check it out.
As our future plan, we have created a lot of content, more music, live recordings and videos. With Sunscreen and Is It Safe Outside being released, we are planning on releasing 3 live recordings with videos. This is a project that we did with Denham as the sound engineer and Shyamal as the videographer and director. Quite easy to work with these guys because we have worked with them in the past as well. From the 3 songs, 2 of them would be originals, brand new originals. You haven't heard this before. So these will be like the live versions. And one of them would be one of our own rendition of a cover featuring Irshad again, just like Is It Safe Outside. In terms of the album, we have finished all the composition and the writing, but we are struggling to hit the studio right now with the current situation of the country. So we don't know when we will be able to release the album. So because of this reason, we are doing an EP. This will be produced by Shamika, and this is a whole different sound. This will be more into future funk, indie pop, and this is a new sound for us, so we are super excited about it too, and we love to play around with it. So those 2 will be the main releases in the near future, but we have more singles that we have finished, and it's ready to go, but it will all release in due time. So to get to know about the details and release dates and everything, please follow us on Instagram at unscripted_SL, Facebook at unscripted, and please do follow us on Spotify, Apple Music, and subscribe to our YouTube.
So about the gigs, we've really not focused too much on the gigs because it's been a real tough time organizing gigs. It's a little bit of a risk to do it. So we've really focused on our originals and live recordings and stuff like that. But just before the recent lockdown, we played a couple of gigs with the new lineup. We hadn't played a gig in over a year, so it was interesting to get back and play. But even then, we were quite skeptical about playing a gig. We only got into it quite late during the time the restrictions were eased off. We actually played a gig a couple of weeks before the lockdown, so we were skeptical when most places were open and running. We didn't want to get back into it just because it was a bit risky. But anyway, looking forward, again, with the current situation, we'll probably not organize our own gigs, but if venues are interested in having us play and having an event of their own, we'll probably consider that, but we will not organize our own gigs. And yeah, I mean, looking forward, it's all about doing live recordings and creating new music. That's pretty much that's what's gonna keep us busy, and yeah, and hopefully the album as well. So gigs wise, it's not looking too good for us. We're not gonna be doing our own gigs, but yeah, we hopeful that we'll get back into it soon. But yeah, everyone should stay safe, and even if you're going for gigs, just take your necessary precautions, I guess. Yeah, that's the scene with gigs and unscripted doing gigs.
So I think it's no secret that all of the local bands that everybody usually loves to see are unable to do their usual performances and have you all come and be a part of it, because if you ask any musician what their favorite thing about their musical career or journey is, I'm sure they would say that among the top things, it's actually to be performing live to their fans. And at the moment, it's no secret that nobody in the Sri Lankan scene is able to do that safely. So what almost all of the bands are doing is they are heavily moving into the digital content side of things, so that we can still have something to present to you, something that you can watch and be a part of. So I think bands like us and all of the other bands out there are really pushing the whole digital content scene. We personally are trying to push as much as original music out as possible. Everybody in the band has been working really, really hard on their own time. Quick shout out to Shamika, prod by Marky. He's been working really heavily behind the scenes with myself, Savin, Prashant, Charit, Malita. You know, we've been working really hard to try and give you all some content that's original, unscripted content so that you can watch. And I'm sure all the other bands are doing the same. I mean, I follow all of their social media and I know that they're doing just the very same. So if you want to support your local musicians, if you want to be a strength to them in this time of difficulty, then the best thing you can do is stalk the hell out of their social media. Get on their Spotify, get on their Apple Music, get on YouTube and replay the hell out of their music. Share it with people who you think may have not seen or heard their music before, because that is literally our bread and butter at this point. And also we are doing this for y'all, so that you can have something to look at. So please just show your love. It doesn't need to be only unscripted. Go out there and get out there and, like, you know, follow all of the bands, stalk the hell out of their Instagrams, you know, repost whatever they have, replay all of their music, you know, show their music to people who haven't seen it before. A big help that y'all can do is y'all can share it with people who are not in Sri Lanka. That really helps us with the algorithms and everything. Our usual bread and butter and our usual thing that we love to do and that we are so grateful that y'all are a part of, which is the live performances that's done for just the time being. everybody's pushing digital content, so please reshare, watch it, comment, like on it. Do that for us. It's the best that we can ask for really from you all at this point in time. Yeah.